Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. So the internet's down around here at the moment. There's no internet. The modem failed. In fact, I can show you. This is my old Wi-Fi router. It's Asus AX6000. I think it's short-circuited. I'm not really sure. I popped it open to have a look, but there was no obvious, I can't get that open now. There was no obvious burnout component or anything, but I didn't go digging underneath the heat sinks. Anyway, yeah, it was pretty sad to lose this guy. He's been really good. Anyway, I've got a new one. It's arriving tomorrow, so tomorrow I'll be back online. Fortunately, I still have everything I need to record videos, so I can record a video today while we wait for the internet to come back online tomorrow. Now I'm sorry, today is another mail call, and it's going to be followed by a number of unboxings. I really am trying to get around to doing some actual electronics projects. Those will be coming up soon. I'm going to be doing more Maxitronics 20-in-1 projects. The Sensor Robot 20. I'm a bit past halfway through that, so I'd like to get that finished soon. And I'm way behind on my J-Car Mini projects. So yeah, the people at Silicon Chip just keep on churning out the magazines, and they keep piling up. So I've got a whole swag of mini projects to do, and I do intend to catch up with those in the new year. Now, today I have some enormous stuff arriving. I might just I'll throw you over to the room cam, and I'll just show you what we're dealing with, and then we can take them apart on the bench one at a time together. So let's duck over to the room cam, and I'll show you what we've got. Here we are in the room. This is at my lab, of course. Now, we've got this monster here, okay? That's from Farnell, and this also is from Farnell. So I'm very pleased to see that my Farnell orders have arrived. That was very speedy delivery. That was like next day international. So and it was for free, for no extra cost. So I'm very happy with that. I won't tell you now what's in the box. I'll leave that as a surprise. You'll see in just a minute. And of course today's just the mail call, so we're just taking in the mail. But there will be some stuff in here that we'll want to be unboxing later on. Now, in addition to the Farnell boxes, I've got a couple of other packages to do. And there'll be more like this soon, because I've got more from AliExpress turning up. So that's rather a haul, isn't it? So look, I'll throw you over to the bench, and we'll take this thing out of its bags. Here on the bench, this is our first bag from China. So let's see what we're dealing with, huh? Now, I did get a bunch of stuff on sale from China recently, so there'll be another mail call coming up soon with a whole lot of Chinese stuff arriving. Okay, this is ESP32 cam. So it looks like a ESP32 with a camera attached. Very cool. What are these? GPS modules. Okay, cool. And what is this? RP0. RP2040. Okay. Raspberry Pi Pico board. Pico, okay. Okay, this is the same. Yeah, and this is the same. Same. Sorry about that, a little interruption there. So okay, this is a bit odd. I'm not sure exactly what I've done here. So I seem to have 4 of these ones, 5 of these ones, 3 of these ones, and 2 of these ones. Alright. I wonder how's that autofocus going, by the way. I changed the focus to autofocus, and hopefully it's not jumping around, and hopefully it's zoomed in and you can see everything. Alright. Well, I'm going to file these. I'll do that and then I'll be back. Alright, well that's everything filed from that bag. So I'll just put this over here for now. I might just empty this. Alright, there was another bag here from China. Let's see what's in this bag. Like more microcontrollers. Yes, I doubled down on these. I got a whole heap of them. So these are the ESP32 C3 boards. I was playing with them and I thought they were pretty cool, so I got an extra bunch of them. These are a couple of WeAct Black Pill STM32 boards. This is just a plain old ESP32. Alright, well, let me just grab a box for the ESP32. I don't seem to have an ESP32 box. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to move some boards into here, and then I'll have some free things, so I'll do that now. And there we have it, a box full of ESP32 C3s. So I'll go and file them. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so that was our round of microcontrollers done. So up next is a parcel from Amazon. I expect this will be cables. We'll see. me get in here. Yeah. So this is just a bunch of lightning cables. Just for hooking up iPhone to power. Not sure what this is. It's also from Amazon. See if we can get our scissors in here. Alright. It's a book. So this is a book about programming. Actually, it's about database design. So the star schema, it's an online analytical processing schema that you use for data analysis. So I'm reading this as part of the research I'm doing for my book. If you didn't know, I'm writing a book about database design. It's taking a very long time for me to get it done. Alright, and we've got another one from Amazon. Let's see if that'll work. Yep. What have we got in here? It's another book. And, oh okay, this is volume 2. I already have volume 1. And this is a book about the architecture of open source applications. So they look at famous open source software and discuss its architecture. So I've been reading the first one and this is the second one. So that's good to have. And now, dear friends, we're up to the most exciting part of the day. The 2 boxes from Farnell. Now I'm expecting a new soldering iron, and I'm also expecting some Pico electronics analysis tools. So let's do the small box first. How about we throw you over there and we do it together, huh? So I might just pop out my old trusty pocket knife. How are we going to do this? Let's do the big one first, huh? So some paperwork here. Well, that'll be my new soldering iron. That's pretty cool. All right. So this box was mostly paper. Alright, I'm just going to go and get rid of these boxes. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, so I'm back. That boxing was above and beyond the Call of Duty. It was huge. Didn't need to be so huge. Anyway, here's our stuff. Today is just a mail call, so I'm going to tell you what I've got. If you're interested, stick around, hit subscribe, come back later, and you'll find the unboxing videos. I'm going to do the unboxing videos separately. So this is just a mail call. Unboxings will come up for each product. So I've got here, this is my new Metcal soldering iron in its box. So we're not going to take that out of the box just now. And with it came these. These are just soldering iron tips. So you'll get the details of these in the unboxing video for the soldering iron. Now this is my Peak Instruments. It's Peak Electronics Design. And this is one of their test instruments. It's called the ESR meter. So I got their ESR meter, the ESR70. That's what this is. And I'll be doing an unboxing of that shortly on the channel. And this is a kit. It's two of their analyzers in one. So it's called the ATPK3 kit. And it's got the DCR and the LCR meters, 2 meters in there. So I think that concludes this unboxing. So I'll throw you over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So, I mean, easily the most exciting thing I got today was my new soldering iron. It's a real beauty. It's the PS-900. I haven't taken it out of the box yet, but I'll be doing that soon. So stick around if you want to see the new iron. I'm looking forward to that very much. I suppose, obviously, the least exciting thing that I got out of this mail call was these. These are just some lightning cables, so nothing terribly exciting there. But everything else was good. I got a whole swag of ESP32 microcontrollers, a whole bunch of the C3s, which I think are actually quite cool. Although I do have a little bit of a niggling problem when I try to program them using the Arduino IDE. So maybe I'll get to the bottom of that at some point, I'm not sure. Anyway, I think that's all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.